How much does commercial flood insurance cost? The cost of commercial flood insurance will depend on a number of factors. For example, if you own your own building, you can expect flood policies to fall anywhere between $500 and $8,000, depending on several factors. However, if you lease your office building, flood insurance will be cheaper since the policy would only be covering your belongings, as the actual building would be your landlord's responsibility. Other factors that will affect the cost of your commercial flood insurance include flood insurance limits. Limits are the total amount the insurance carrier would pay out if you were to have a claim. For flood insurance, you can purchase up to $500,000 in building coverage and $500,000 in business property coverage for a total of $1 million, with higher limits sometimes available for excess flood coverage. The higher the limits you choose, the higher your premium will be. Deductible. You will generally set your deductible between $1,000 to $50,000. The higher your deductible, the lower your premium. Your flood zone. Insurance carriers will evaluate your property's flood zone to help determine the risk and subsequent cost of your policy. So if you are in a higher risk flood zone, you can expect to pay more for flood insurance coverage. Prior claims. If you've had previous flood insurance claims, your carrier would strongly consider you a risk for another, likely choosing to charge you more because of it. Besides these factors, the building structure, foundation type, and where belongings are located are known to affect the cost of flood insurance policies. Flooding can be messy and costly for any business, making it important to ensure you have the right protections for any storm coming your way. Since flood insurance can be personalized for every business, contact your insurance agent or carrier today and talk about your coverage options. Have more questions on flood insurance or ways to insure your business? Then click on the link below to our website's Learning Center. We have hundreds of articles and videos covering every area of insurance you can think of. If you don't see what you're looking for, leave us a comment and we will cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching. And if you found today's video helpful, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel to always see our latest videos. We post videos like this each week, breaking down the world of insurance for our viewers. Thanks again for watching. Stay dry.